Okay? Sasa tunaenda tunaenda kusoma irabu. Now we are going to read vowels. Irabu hizi zinasomwa kama ifuatavyo. These vowels we read as follows. A, E, I, O, U. Au unaweza ukaanza mwishoni, or you can start from the end to the beginning, like that, kama hivi. U, O, I, E, A. Sasa tukasome silabi. Now let's read what? Syllables. Let's read the simple syllables, okay? Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Vile vile unaweza ukaanza mwishoni. You can start from the end, like that. Ku, ko, ki, ke, ka. Baada ya kusoma irabu na silabi, after reading the vowels and the syllables, tunaweza sasa tukaunda maneno. We can form words now. Welcome. There are many words. Kuna maneno mengi kutoka kwenye hizi irabu A, E, I, O, U na silabi ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. There are many words that can be formed from A, E, I, O, U and ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Remember, this is Swahili language spoken spoken in what? In East Africa, especially Tanzania and Kenya. Okay? Now, let us start. Neno la kwanza hapa linaloonekana. The first word that is we see on the screen. Ka-a. 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 Kwa tumechukua ka. What taken is ka and a. Ka-a. 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 In English we say sit. 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 Sit means sit down. Kaa chini. Sit down. Kaa chini. Here we are talking only about what? Kaa. Kaa. Sit. Where we have got this word is from ka, ke, ki, ko, ku and a, e, o, u, but especially at ka and a. Neno lingine, another word is, neno hilo ni ka-ka. Ka-ka. Tumechukua ka. We have taken what? Ka here. So, written like that one. Ka. Ka. Ka-ka. Kaka. Kaka in English is brother. Brother. Okay? Kaka. Kaka is from first syllable, consonant K and vowel A. We write it twice. Okay? You double it. Kaka. Tuje neno lingine. Let us see another word. Let us see another what? Let us see another word. Another word is ko-o. Ko-o. You take a syllable ko and the vowel o. Ko-o. Let me write here. Ko-o. Ko-o. Ko-o in English is what? Throat. What? Throat. Throat. Ko-o. Throat. You see here, it's throat. Another word ko-o in English. Okay? Clan. What? Clan. 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 Family clan. Concerning with the families. Okay? Sasa tuone neno lingine. Let us see another word. Another word is kua. Ku-a. Let me write here. Ku-a. 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 In English, ku-a is what? Grow. Grow. From small size to big size. Grow. Ku-a. Ku-a. Okay? Okay? Let us see another words that can be formed here. Is ku-ku. Ku. But you write it twice. Ku. Ku-ku. Ku-ku. In English, ku-ku is hen. What? Hen. 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 Or chicken. Okay? Another word. Neno lingine. Keki. Keki. You take what? Keki. 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 Simple in English, it is cake. Okay? Cake used in her birthday, wedding, just for eating there during the special event. Okay? Another word. Okay? Another word from these vowels and syllables. Neno lingine, maneno mengine kutoka kwenye hizi irabu na silabi. Nikupe nafasi ucomment hapo down. Wewe unaona kuna neno gani? Okay? You can take that and try to see dictionary. Okay? You can get many words I see there. Okay? Write down the comment if we are together. Welcome. Again, don't miss to subscribe my channel, share and like it. Thank you, Mama Love. There, I don't know where you're living, but I saw your comment to my channel. JZ, somebody JZ Yara. I saw your comment down there. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for appreciating my lessons. Let us meet another time. Welcome again another time.